Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song Agnus Dei. As always, I'm going to play the song for you first, and at the end of it I'm going to explain it and break it down for you in more detail, so make sure you stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and get started with the song.
God Almighty, worthy is the Lamb, worthy is the Lamb. You are holy, holy, are you, Lord God Almighty. Worthy is the Lamb, worthy is the Lamb. Amen.
In terms of chords, this is a pretty simple song. We're only going to be using 3 chords from the G chord family. We have the G chord, we have the C add 9 chord, which when we play that C add 9, you want to make sure you're not playing the low E string. Okay, so you can mute it with your thumb to make sure it doesn't resonate, or you can just pay attention and make sure not to strum that low E string. And then we have the D over F sharp chord. For strumming, we're using the driving pattern, which is a nice simple 4-beat strum pattern. We have 4 down strums, and then we're going to add an up strum after beat 4, and then we're going to repeat that pattern. We also want to make sure that we're putting emphasis on beats 1 and 3. So every other beat, we're strumming harder. So let me go ahead and play that strum pattern for you slowly so that you can hear what it would sound like. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1. Now there's a particular transition that happens in this song that's kind of complicated, so I wanted to kind of break it down for you a little bit more. It shows up at the very first line of the verse, and it shows up again halfway through the verse. And basically what we're doing is we're going from G, and then we go to C, and C add 9, and then we go back to G again. But what's complicated about the transition is that the C add 9 is only lasting for half of a measure. So we're only going to hold that C add 9 for beats 1 and 2 of a measure, and then for beat 3 and 4 we're going back to G, okay? And then we're going to hold that G when we start over on a new measure, okay? So if you don't know the time signature, or you don't know the strum pattern, it can definitely throw you off. So I want to play this transition right here for you slower, so that you can try to begin to wrap your mind around what's going on. So first let me play it and sing it, and then I'm going to count out the beats for you so that you can see what's happening behind the scenes. Hallelujah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, So for that particular transition, you might need to slow it down like that, count the beats out, and try to just wrap your mind around that weird transition. You know, and then at that point you can take it and try to fit it into the song and try to sing on top of it. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified when I come out with new lessons. And I will see you in the next one. Take care.